Tuna heads, Boston Whaler Restoration, back online. I know it's been a while since our last post, but we put a lot of work in on the hull, doing a bunch of fiberglass work, and now we're about to spray with the Awlgrip primer. We're using the white primer D801. And that's the converter. We're going to thin it with the Awlgrip reducer. We've been wiping it down with a bunch of solvent to get all the dust off. Done a bunch of fiberglass work, as you can see right here. I drilled a bunch of holes in the transom to see if there was any water, and there wasn't. I just filled it real good there and took a bunch of sanding to get the bottom paint off. We actually filled all the holes for the rub rail too. Popped the rivets out and filled those holes. We're going to use a two-piece system, so we're going to drill those in with screws. We used a bunch of the West Systems epoxy for the fiberglass work. It was some trial and error, but it's really not too hard. So we've actually sprayed the console, so this isn't our first time. We sprayed the console with the primer already as a trial run. As you can see, we got this tin up. Not most ideal conditions inside a warehouse or anything, but we got this up so nothing falls down after we spray it. Yeah, so you'll see us spraying here in a second. Tuna head back here. One thing I forgot to mention is we used a commercial degreaser and washed this thing 4 or 5 times before we hit it with the acetone, just to make sure there was no grease or grime buildup that would affect the applicability of the paint. Also, we're going to hit the Z-legs. We're going to paint the Z-legs white. I know a lot of people like the original look, but we really don't care. So we're going to hit those, and then that's the console that we've already sprayed with the primer. We hit that with 2 coats. There's the gun. So that's it. We'll be spraying here in a little bit. One other thing that I remembered is we're going to hit this thing with probably 3 coats of the primer. So that's it. I think we're going to do, not sure what top coat color we're going to do. We just need to run up to the store after we let this primer sit. We were talking about Fighting Lady yellow or maybe a blue, or we might just keep it stock. So, alright, as you can see, we are spraying. We got AMAT on the gun, aka Flounder Pounder, aka Tuna Wrangler, aka Grill Chaser, aka Boat Painter. Did some adjustments to the gun when we first started. Get the spray right. You know, it's going to be 3 coats, so I just took some trial on here, but we are spraying. As you can see, we're taking all the precautions. Awlgrip's strong stuff. You can smell it from the other side of the yard. I smelled it from the garage on the other side of the house when he started mixing it up. So you got the tie-dye suit and the mask. He's got some sunglasses on. Alright, We are spraying.